I'm Philip Frame from Frame Rural Agents at Inverell. We just had our first winter sale for 2023 at Inverell. There were 2,700 cattle yarded. Cattle were in good condition. The lead of the steers were up to 372 kilos. They were Angus steers. They made $4.40. There were lighter steers there that made up over $5, and the price varied with the quality of the cattle. The heifers were very strong, depending on quality. We had a pen of heifers there, 246 kilos, made $3.74 the last sale of the day, which we were very pleased with. But overall, the sale was very, very strong. We had a number of Queensland buyers here, which made our crossbred cattle dear as the black cattle.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?